Then you get things like mossed, cottage trees, core, swell the gourd, budding moor there, and then never cease, ore brimmed their clammy cells. So there's I think a heavy reliance there on kind of longer O sounds and then the sibilant S. And within the second stanza, this gives way to more W's and more F's. And so some examples of that would be winnowing wind, the furrow that's there, drowsed. Later we have the, sorry, I lost it for a second. Oh, the flowers that's in there. And so the first stanza is a lot of O's, and the second is a I have no idea if Keats intended this or not, but to me it almost sounds like the whistling of the autumn wind there. You might have also heard his rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B, C, D, E, D, C, C, E, which can be difficult to pick up on first glance, and that's because his odes, I think, typically were 10 lines per stanza, and this one relies upon